Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register on the reporting portal of income tax. First, navigate to the official income tax e-filing website. Look for the Register Yourself option, typically found on the home page. This is the crucial first step to access various tax services. You will need to select your user type, such as taxpayer or e-return intermediary, to proceed correctly. Before you begin, make sure you have your permanent account number, or PAN, handy. This is a 10-character alphanumeric identifier issued by the Income Tax Department. Also, ensure your mobile number is updated and linked to your PAN, as a one-time password or OTP will be sent for verification. A valid email address is also essential for receiving important communications and completing the registration. Once you've selected your user type, you'll be prompted to enter your PAN and other personal details like your name and date of birth. After submitting these, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number and email address. Enter this 6-digit OTP to verify your identity. Finally, you will set a secure password for your account and update any remaining profile information to complete the registration. After successful registration, you can log into the income tax reporting portal using your PAN as your user ID and the password you just created. The dashboard provides access to services like filing income tax returns, viewing tax credit statements, and responding to notices. Remember to keep your login credentials confidential and secure. This ensures your tax information remains private and protected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.